What's up, everybody, and welcome back to NWI RC. Man, I'm telling you, in today's video, I want to redo the video on these GLOBACT sand tires, and I'm going to tell you, when you order these from their website or from this brand, you will have to install these and you will have to glue the tires on, because as you can see in this clip here, sorry about that tester, guys. I did not realize that these tires have to be glued on. As you saw, all three of the tires blew off of it. I thought they were pre-glued, and apparently they weren't. It didn't go so well because they came pre-assembled like this. I thought they were already glued together. Well, they were not pre-glued. Other than that, I did install them on the Traxxas Rustler 2.5, and let me tell you, this thing is a beast. I love this two-wheel drive platform. It is iconic, you know, it's just, I mean, check it out. You know, it's a basic setup, basic platform, and it performs very good. This thing is still bone stock. I haven't done anything to it but install those sand tires, as you can see here. So we're gonna go take this Nitro Rustler out on the beach and let's see how these sand tires perform, and I will tell you, you will not be disappointed. All right, the first run at the beach. Got all the sand to work with the Nitro Rustler. Let's go ahead and get this baby fired up and get her ripping. Oh, come on. Why did she die out? Let's see what we got here. There we go. Ooh, these GLOBACT tires, they get some good grip, don't they? I like that. Man, a little too much grip there. I like that. Woo, man, that's a crazy. I like it. Gotta take it easy on the throttle with these. Now keep in mind, guys, when you buy these GLOBACT, oop, there goes my fuel. When you buy these GLOBACT tires, you do have to glue them. I learned the hard way. If you guys remember on my 3S Big Rock. That's okay, I'm just getting used to it. Very, very grippy, guys. You guys own a set of these GLOBACT sand tires? Let me tell you, man, they're a lot of fun. Man, I bet these things do pretty good in the snow as well. Probably due for some fuel. She's due for fuel, I'm sure. Well, let's see what we got. Blow the sand away. Oop. Yeah, she was running low. All right, hold on there, guys. She's running a little warm. I wouldn't say hot to the boiling point or anything that's going to harm the motor. You guys remember my last run I did with it? I never touched any of the tune settings or any of the needles. Oh man, she is ripping through the sand. Instant wheelies. Yep, she didn't like that. But you can ride a wheelie the whole way down through the throttle. Heck yeah. I'm not going to try it because I really don't feel like going way out there to retrieve it. Nice. I like how she kind of drifts through the sand as well. So you guys know I'm running 33% nitro, for those that were wondering. I like to get some sand tires for the front. I'm just running the factory tires there. Yeah, she is running good. I like to see it on some looser sand, you know, saying that this is more kind of packed because it's been sitting. They haven't been grading it because this area has been shut down. Wow, man. You guys looking for some sand paddles, these are the ones to get. Direct bolt on, you don't have to mess with any of the wheel hubs or anything. And I believe that they do give you an option to change from, I believe, 12, 14, and possibly 17 hub adapters that you can actually install on the wheels themselves.
Man, like half throttle, you're raising them front wheels. That is awesome. You gotta love the Nitros. You gotta love them. Absolutely love them. I love the noise. I love the sound they make. Got some nice power. Maybe not as much power as like the electrics when you go brushless and all that, but hey, you got the noise factor, you got the smells. Just adds a little bit more excitement to the RC world. Only one thing I don't want to do is end up in that water. That would suck. Nice rooster tails from the paddles. Nice and grippy. Would like to find some front sand tires. As far as like, I don't know what they call them, front type of two-wheel drive sand tires for the rear. We don't need paddles up front, that's for sure. Those are pretty close to being like what I've had on my HPI Bajas and all that other stuff. They're just more ribbed. There's only, I think, one rib in the front tire. Almost like a ski. Oh man, almost got a mouthful of sand there. Hey GLOBACT, just want to let you know, yeah, after gluing these tires, these paddles down, man, what a difference. Yes. What do you guys think I get my ramp out here? Just the sound of them paddles rubbing through the sand. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. Man, when them things are spinning. Whoa! A little too close to the water for my liking. I think she's going to be about out of fuel here. These things come with little small tanks. But I do want to run it dry, but I like to keep it close so I don't have to go walking for it. Golly. I need to get an onboard camera for this thing so you guys can just see the rooster tails it's picking up. I love it. Man, she is running like a beast. Traxxas Nitro, baby. That's what I'm talking about. May not have 2 speeds, but I heard some people putting the Jado 3.3 2-speed training. I guess there's some modifications you could do to make that work. That would be cool. I do have a really nice 3.3 engine. Has all internal Pico parts in it. Had a guy had it built. We ended up doing some kind of a trade deal on it, so now it's in my possession. So what do you guys think? Try to figure out a way to mount that 2-speed in here and with a 3.3, or just leave it like this. I'm having fun the way it is right now. God, it sounds so cool and it's just ripping. Oh, I can't see where she's at. Am I gonna be able to get it out of there? Nope, she's gonna sit there and just smoke. But she's about out of fuel anyway. Man, this is a really good running Rustler here, let me tell you. Yep, she is out of fuel. Look at that. Still plenty of rubber left. Didn't even dent it, or didn't even shave any of it off. I like that. Maybe I have to compare it to the brand new ones that are sitting at the house. But yeah, there you have it, guys. The Traxxas Rustler, baby. Nitro. Alright guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Share this video out to your friends. Let me know your thoughts on this thing. What have you done to yours? Have you tried yours with sand panels? How much did you like it? How much did you like it out in the sand? And like I said, this sand's pretty dense. It's been sitting for a while. When this place is an area that I like to grade it and it makes it nice and fluffy, I like to try it that way to get them rooster tails. All right, gonna go clean this thing off. Gonna refresh my air filter. Looks like I lost a clip there. Probably on one of them rollovers, no big deal. All right, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day.